Welcome to the Kusha Online School. How are you, my dear students? Hope that you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. Of the believing of you, of the prayer of you. In the pandemic situation, coronavirus situation, I wish safe and we stay at home. Get safe. So try to obey the social distance using mask and keeping anybody's distance and try to stay at home. Without necessary, you cannot go out of the home. So, I'm Ismail Hussain, Assistant Teacher English, Ganguria High School, Kusha Donga. So, my dear students, going to discuss about the second paper, question number 4 for class 9 and 10. The students who already are studying before the 9th class, I am requesting to open your khata and pen. Now, this day I am discussing about the how to solve the problem. Question number 4. Complete the following list with right forms of verbs given in the box. In the box, there are verbs. The previous a lot of class you have already enjoyed and learned some points that how to correct the verb. Apart that now I am discussing something that if you practice present indefinite tense, voice, narration, then you can complete the following list with right form of verb like this. So, if you forget the some rules, I think then and there you check the points with the reading the rules of the problem he is already faced in these questions. On the other hand, I already read out the answer at the last moment of the following this contest. So let's know the how to correct or how to write or form of verb. My dear students, if you follow the rules, I think tense, voice, narration, you can easily correct the right form of verb. Here, now read. In an educational institution, teacher-student relationship is dash A to be the most important matter. It is such a relationship that is here also get on the basis of mutual dash. Student always dash to his teachers because of he cannot but dash help from them in case of dash knowledge. The sensible students never dash their teachers, moreover they dash their memorable teachers, those who help them dash in life. So they always dash their teacher. My dear students, now I think you are thinking and reading the context and trying to solve the gap with right form of verb following this table, and some verb has been given in the box. Suppose understands or consider, who, take, respect, succeed, acquire, admit, forget. So my dear students, now you are enjoying this question number 4. This question is very tough. On the other hand, it is very easy. If you follow the rule, if you learn some points about tense and voice, also narration, then I think you can easily solve the such type of problem. It is my respect to you, expectation to you. So, think relationship is a dash. Which verb will be set up here, thinking here, understands, is, understand, is also the auxiliary verb of present continuous tense, and top of that this auxiliary verb is used present continuous tense and present indefinite tense of voice. So, which points will be set up here? You know that there is no subject, agent subject, so it is an object also. So, this verb will be the passive voice, or verb is past participle. So, in an educational institute, the teacher-student relationship is, I think, thinking or considering or consider. Here, consider. You know that it is the passive voice of present indefinite tense. So, after auxiliary verb, the verb turned into a past participle to be the most important matter. So, top of that, next, it is such a relationship that which here also present indefinite tense and auxiliary verb also here is. So, here also set up past participle of verb. So, which is understand, or, who, take, respect, succeed, acquire, admit, forget. You can be it, I think. By this time, you can already got the points. These points will be set up here. For I think you are matching the answer with me and note on your khata. So, on the basis of mutual, here is also mutual. Which verb will be set up here? Here is the adverbial phrase. So, adverbial phrase at the end of the phrase will be the verb or present participle with already ing will be add with verb. So, understanding. Understanding. It is the understanding. So, that's now a student always dash to his teachers. So, think that which what will be set up here or use here. Whose. This sentence is present indefinite tense. Here is a subject, agent subject, so it is simple sentence. We know the structure of present indefinite tense: subject plus verb of present form Then next of the sentence. So here a student swallows ooze to his teachers because of he cannot but going to the rule also we cannot but or we cannot help. So after we cannot but have will be present form. So here help from them in case of. So he cannot but cannot but here the verb which verb here. So think about bargain, admit, acquire, succeed, respect, take, rule, consider. You already used, consider already used, verb already used. So next understand, understand also use. So next take, respect, succeed, acquire, admit, bargain. Among them, the which one will be set up here? You know that I think take. So take help from them in case of. So after preposition you know the verb present participle will be used here. So think knowledge. So which is knowledge? Acquiring knowledge. So acquiring knowledge. So here is the acquire. So acquiring knowledge. Acquiring. Then the sensible students need never the teacher. So here is a never which will be set up here. Never which one will be which what will be set up. So never the sensible students never their teacher forget their teacher. Moreover they are memorable teachers role which help them. So think about it. Then always moreover अधिकतर they at me memorable teachers role which help them. Then admit, forget, then respect and succeed. So they always they are and succeed here. Succeed. Then here are the and finished and only one word is remaining here. So you know that here is a respect. Respect. So my dear students, I think you enjoyed the question number 4. Complete the following text with right forms of verb given in the box. Such type of question you will get the examination hall when you get the receive the question paper of second English second paper. Firstly, you read attentively the question, then try to solve the one by one questions problem, and in this way, after following the rules of grammar point, I hope that gradually your grammar skill will be improved and developed, and I think that you will solve this problem easily. So may Allah protect you. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.